All right, you guys, this is number corner for second grade, October 6th. Hello at home. You guys never get to see the kids, actually. I'm gonna let them say hi to you guys. You guys wanna say hi? Hi.
Hi.
What's up? We'll just do a little 360 here.
Hello.
Say hi, third grade. There's Emmett. Hey. Hey there. Okay, we thought maybe you'd want to see our crazy faces, or at least half of our crazy faces, right? Okay. All right. So we're gonna stop. Thanks. We're gonna stop shouting now. So hey at home, we are gonna take a look at our calendar for today. This is the 6th, and I'm gonna kind of come in a second and show you the chart that we're looking at. But take a look. We've got a bar graph going on across. I'm trying to show you first. Okay. And we'll show you at home. Am I in? Down.
A little back.
Back.
Good.
Okay, pause it at home so you can check this out if you need to. Emmett, can you see this okay? Oh, what am I doing? Here, we'll just put it up here on the screen. That's actually why I left it up there. Then everybody can see it at once. Of course, that's what I should be doing.
They can barely see it.
Okay, so here we go. This is the chart. Stop shouting out for a minute, please. And what we're going to do today is take a look at this chart, and we're going to decide on what we think the topic is and what the survey question was that was asked, and we'll come up with some other things that we'll jot down as kind of like observations, okay? So, first of all, let's take a look, and I want you guys to think, what do you think the students were asked as their question? So, what survey question were they given? Why? Can you think about this one? What do you think that these kids were asked to vote on? Yeah, like do you like shopping or spending the night, like maybe like at a friend's house, or maybe it could even be like, what do you like to do with your grandparents, or what do you like to do with your friends, or something like that, right?
What do you like to do?
Who would you think that we were gonna do something like this with, Wyatt?
I don't know. Kids.
No, kids with your friends, maybe?
Because spending the night gives it away.
Yeah, that's like a slumber party, right? Although, I mean, you guys, some people spend the night with their grandparents.
That's what I do.
So let's make that the question, then we'll say friends. What do you like to do with your friends? So what do you like, I'm going to have to go behind the screen for a minute, to do with your friends? So most likely that's our survey question. Yes?
They can't see the It only goes to 10 and then it stops on that number.
They can only see up to here? Ish?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay for a minute. I'll zoom out a little bit. Thanks for looking out for the kids at home here. All right, how's that?
Down. That's good.
Good? All right, thank you.
A little bit more, I guess. That's fine. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we don't want to go too low and miss the heading.
I wish I could see.
All right, you guys, so this most likely is, we'll say, is the survey question.
You can see her.
What do you like to do with your friends? Okay, so what should the title be? Like if somebody was asking the survey question and then they made this chart, what would they put for the title on their chart? Emmett, what do you think?
Like, if they have like this chart and they ask a ton of people, it'll probably be like, would you rather go shopping or rather spend a night with somebody?
Okay, and that is another way you could word the question. We went with, what do you like to do with your friends? And then they were given two choices. But my question is, what should we put for the title here? Maybe not in a question form. Like if we were naming this, we want to name the chart.
I could give them a little help.
Well, we could name it with the question. But is there a way that we could rearrange it a little bit so that it's just kind of like a little statement or a phrase?
Would you go shopping or spend the night?
Shopping or spending the night. So, okay. What do you like to do with friends? So why don't we say, we'll kind of add that together. So favorite pastimes with friends. I didn't give myself very much room here. And then I'll put in parentheses, shopping or spend the night. Or we could say or sleepover. Should we do that? Shopping. We'll do the way you said it. Shopping or spend the night. Okay, sorry if that's a little bit small for you guys at home, but it says favorite pastimes with friends, shopping, or spend the night. Okay, so now that we've got that covered, if you were the teacher and you were going to ask your kids in class a question about this chart, what is a question that you could ask based on the information that we're looking at? I need some volunteers from some people that haven't said anything. Okay, here we go, Faith. Thank you. What's a question you could ask?
Would you go shopping with your friends or spend the night?
Well, that is the survey question that we asked. What thing do you like better, right? But now I want to know, like, what did we find out? Like, can you ask a question where the answer would be some information that we find from this chart? Like, maybe we could start with how many, and then you finish it.
How many people?
There you go. How many people what?
Voted. I have another one.
Ooh, I like that. Okay, how many people voted? So I want you guys at home and here to try to count up how many people voted. Everybody should be doing that now. Pause it at home if you think you need to. So Cayenne, I should see you looking up here and counting up how many people voted. Good, hang on to it for a minute. Okay, Grace, how many people voted, do you think?
24.
24. How did you get 24?
So I looked at the numbers, and there were 13 and 11.
Uh-huh.
And what I did was I knew that 11 cost a 10. So I go
Okay.
ahead and added that in, which is only 23.
Okay.
But then I have to do something with the 1, so I also added that in. And
That's great.
I got 4.
Okay, so you basically did 13 plus 11, but you kind of rearranged some of it a little bit, so that it could be a little bit faster to add. So you're right though, 24 people. Is that what you guys were thinking too?
Yeah.
Is that what you were thinking at home? I'm sure it was. So I like that. You know, also adding tens is simple. So if you looked at just where the 10 line is, you could say like, okay, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That would have been another way you could have added it up. Great, you guys, thanks. Okay, we need another question. What's another question we can ask ourselves about this chart? Benton, do you have a question about our chart? Okay, do your morning math on both sides. Okay, I'll be with you in a second then. Okay, Emmett?
Wait, what?
What's another question we could ask?
Oh. How many more people decide to go shopping than spend the night with their friends?
Ooh, the how many more. When you guys hear how many more, what's that a clue to that you're gonna have to do?
Count up to the other.
Yeah, count up or possibly subtract too. So how many more people went shopping we'll just leave it at that. How many more people went shopping? You know, like compared to spending the night. Okay, take a look. Wyatt, your hand is already up. Do you think you know this?
Yes, it's
2 more people. Okay, how did you get 2?
Well, since they only how many more people, that means that that means you just take the line from the spend the night and go it across, then count 2 more squares,
Yeah.
and then the answer's 2.
Right. So you're saying like take the line across here, and then you can see that there's 2 extra. Very good. So what you did was you kind of like looked at 13, and you subtracted the 10 below to get the 2 left over.
Yeah.
The 11 below. Okay, so you're saying 13 minus 11 equals 2. All right, great question. Okay, now yesterday we got into a little bit of fact family stuff. Let's do that again. So we have 13, we have 11, and we already said that when we add those together, Grace told us that equals 24. Who can give me another fact to go with this fact family? Grace?
24 minus 13
Yeah.
equals 11.
Yes, good job. Okay, who's got another one? Cross.
I have 3.
Oh my goodness, I don't think there are 3 more.
I was gonna say the rest.
else do you have using 13, 11, and 24?
11 plus 13 equals 24.
Okay.
And
It's a swap.
24 minus 11.
Yeah, and then that's actually it. But what were you thinking was your third one?
I actually, I thought there was another one.
Okay, you just got ahead of yourself. All right, so that's it for our chart on that. Here, we'll put this back up here on the calendar for the 6th, and then let's take a look. I'm gonna turn off our projector, and we'll take a look at our half and half board up here. I don't know if I have my red marker on me though. We'll see. I thought I had it in my back pocket.
You have it right here near the camera.
Oh, thanks. I do. I see it now. Thanks.
Come get it when you're ready.
These guys at school are used to me setting stuff down and not knowing where I put it. Oh, we finally got a red one. Thank goodness.
No.
I'm rooting for red. He's like the underdog now.
I like both of them because red equals to blood.
Oh my.
And blue
I mean,
is
that's my
the
favorite
one
color, but
who
I'm
has
still
more.
All right. So if we take a look at this though, we could still see that we are less than half, right?
Right.
How many would we need? We have 6 total. How many would we need to make it half?
Two more red ones.
Oh, if we had 2 more red ones, then that'd be more than half. You're right. And then what about exactly half?
Two more would be equal exactly half. More than one would equal. We would need 3 more red.
Okay, you know what? I don't know why I was thinking that wrong, but yeah, you're absolutely right. Yeah, we would need 2 more to make it exactly half. In my head, when those were stuck together there, I was seeing them almost like three pieces instead of 6. I wasn't thinking quite right. Okay, so we're still less than half red. All right, that's all we're gonna be doing for the screen. So we'll see you later at home. And then, hang on a second, guys. Bye, bye, guys.